68-year-old woman has come. She's been treated for urge incontinence. Okay. So the question is not about urge incontinence. She has had urinary symptoms for 3 months, during which she obviously avoided places like long lines and long train rides because she was not able to control her bladder, right? And she didn't want to wet her pants. That is why she has been avoiding these places. But now, even after she was treated, she's still not doing all this. Okay, she's still showing restricted social interactions. So, first of all, what is this? All right, what is this patient suffering from? Tell me that. She's avoiding places like long lines and long train rides because she was scared that she would wet her pants or something like that. Agoraphobia, which is perfect. All right, so let me explain that to you. Agoraphobia is a fear of not being able to escape from something. All right. So this patient is not getting into long lines or train rides because she feels that when she has to pee, she will not be able to escape from it. Okay, and now this has become a pattern. Even after her urinary symptoms are treated, she's still feeling that. Okay, that is agoraphobia. And the question is rightly then asking you to describe a true statement regarding what she's suffering from, which is that she fears not being able to escape similar situations. All right. Now let's see why the other options are. Symptoms need to last for at least 1 month. That is not true. You don't really need any such thing for it. She requires only one fear of avoidance to meet the criteria. No, for agoraphobia, social phobia, etc., you need that this thing should happen in at least 2 circumstances. All right. If it is only one, then it's probably could be a specific phobia. All right. Okay. It could also be like a phobia of trains if she's only not going on trains, but she's also not going on lines as well. So it's not a specific phobia. So it needs to happen in more than one situation, not in only one situation. All right. She could have accompanying social phobia. Not really. Like people confuse this, but social phobia is the fear of being embarrassed in social interaction. These are very, very, very extremely shy people. They feel, oh my God, if I go to this party, everyone's going to talk about me, everybody's going to judge me. That is social phobia. Whereas agoraphobia is like people like, oh my God, if I go and stand in this line right now, then what if I have to pee? I won't be able to leave. So that is agoraphobia, fear of being able to escape, versus social phobia, which is fear of embarrassment in front of people. All right. Condition always occurs in context of panic disorder. So this is interesting. Okay. So what happens in panic disorder is that randomly, out of the blue, out of nowhere, patients have a panic attack, which is very distressing to the patient. And repeated panic attacks make people develop agoraphobia because they are scared that if they have a panic attack and they will not be able to escape from certain situations, like they will avoid elevators, they will avoid crowds because they feel, oh my God, what if I'm in an elevator all alone and I have a panic attack? What am I going to do? What if I'm in a crowd? It will be so embarrassing. So what will I do? All right. So panic disorder can precipitate again, but agoraphobia doesn't always have panic disorder. Like you see in this case, she was having urge incontinence, which caused her to have agoraphobia. It can be anything which can cause agoraphobia. It doesn't have to be in the context of a panic disorder. All right, so that is all about it. Yes, so just remember this. Agoraphobia is the fear of being escaped, a fear of unable to be escaped. What is wrong with you? Fear of not being able to escape from certain situations. And social anxiety disorder is the fear of being embarrassed in certain social situations. All right. So panic disorder can lead to agoraphobia. Yes, yes, absolutely. Anything which makes you scared of being unable to escape from somewhere, and anything that is unexpected can lead to agoraphobia. And the most common association is panic disorder, that people have out of the blue attacks. So they are always on high alert that, I'm not going to the party. What if I'm in the middle of a party and I get a panic attack? I'm not going to go on that cartwheel. What if I get a panic attack? I'm not going to go swimming. What if I get a panic attack in the middle of swimming? The fear of being in situations where they can't escape. All right. I hope that makes it clear.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.